So for those of you that fly Frontier or Spirit, this is going to be a life changer for you. So I flew Frontier for a bachelorette party, and obviously I did not want to pay the hefty fees that went along with Frontier. So I decided to just bring a book bag, and this was not enough space. It just wasn't. I tried to pack everything I needed, but I needed to bring heels for one of my outfits, and that kind of took up a big chunk of space in my bag. And obviously makeup took up another space, and toiletries took up space, along with some other stuff. But I did bring this bag with me, and it did fit a lot, but it just wasn't enough. So very last minute, I went on Amazon and I ordered this genius contraption that literally held all of my clothes. I landed Thursday night, and I was there Thursday, Friday, well, mainly Friday, Saturday, and then we flew back Sunday. So I had my pajama in here for Thursday night. I had 2 outfits for Friday, and then I had 3 outfits for Saturday, and an outfit for Sunday on the flight back home. It was amazing. So this is what I ordered, and it is literally a decompressed neck pillow. It came exactly like this, and when I say it fits so much stuff, it fit so much stuff. It basically unzips, and you just store all of your clothes inside. It's pure genius. And you put it around your neck, and you clip it, and nobody's able to tell. I put it on before I got on the plane, and I thought this was kind of obvious maybe, or it made it a little bit more obvious. So I kind of clipped them together just so it didn't hang as much. And I did kind of put it off to the side a little bit. And I mean, discombobulated when I went on this plane. I had my hair down, I kind of had it covered, I had my coat on, and it was pretty puffy. I mean, I didn't stuff it too much because I went to Arizona, so my clothes was, you know, not super, super thick, but I fit underwear, swimsuits, socks, bras. I had like nipple pasties in here. I had dresses, like I said, pajamas in there. I had 2-piece sets that were pretty thick. I had some sundresses. I had a going out dress. I had some thinner pants. I had socks in there. I had a lot of stuff in here, and I can kind of show you guys what it looks like with stuff in it. So let me flip the camera, and I'll grab some random clothes to put in here and kind of just show you how it fills up and what it looks like on once it's full. So I did just grab a couple of random things, and we'll go ahead and stuff it inside the pillow. So here's a swimsuit cover up, and you kind of just put them on the ends. This is like a dress, and obviously you can fold them if you want. If I were flying out, I would probably fold these better, but since I'm not, I'm just going to shove these in here for the purpose of this video. I have another dress. I just kind of grab whatever I can put my hands on right now. And you can kind of mold them however you want. And then we'll zip it up. And we have a pillow. So now I'll I'll flip the camera around and show you kind of what it looks like on. All right, so now mind you, it is obviously big, bulky, but do remember this counts as, you know, an item you can fly on with, and you don't have to wear it. You just have to get it on the plane, and once you get on with it, you can take it off and put it right on top and store it in the overhead, which is exactly what I did. I did not wear this on the plane, but it looks like a neck pillow. I flew on with it. I literally wore it just like this to get past them. My bag fit straight into that stupid little box that they make you put it in with absolutely no issues, because all of the stuff that I needed to was in here, and it completely avoids the, you know, the entire complications you get at the gate with having to open up your bag and take things out and switch things around, or even just worrying if things are gonna fit. And like I said, once you get past that front, you know, door and you're in the tunnel, you take it off and you just clip it straight onto the top of your book bag. And this is exactly what I did. And then you walk through the rest of the gate with the hang it. Let's back it up some. So you hang it up. You put it on. And you walk through. You will literally never have to pay their stupid bag fees ever again. And nobody will know that it's not a neck pillow and that it's filled with clothes. So just thought I would share that with you guys and avoid those fees if you can. Like I said, it worked like a charm. And I had my sister actually, because she was flying Southwest, so she had like a lot of, you know, extra baggage she could bring. So I had her waiting at the gate with me in case they told me no to bringing that. And they said nothing. I got in and yeah, it was smooth sailing. So she was there in the event they said no, and I got to Arizona with this and I flew home with it and no questions were asked. They said nothing. So if you're flying Frontier or Spirit and you need extra room and you only want to bring a backpack, a personal item, and not have to pay any additional fees, I highly suggest getting that. I bought it on Amazon. I think it was under $20, and it saves you the $100 bag fee. So